Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about updating you guys about posting daily, why it's important, how it's helped my channel grow, and I'm going to be doing it while I wear this. I opened it a little. I already opened it, but I'm going to be doing it while I wear this goggle eye mask that I received from my November BoxyCharm box. I received a morning and a night one, and this is the morning one. I already put the night one on. I look like I'm gonna go fight crime or something. But anyway, so while that's on, let's talk. Let's chit chat. Alright, so I have made many goals. If you watch my other videos, I mentioned that I was looking forward to, or I was trying my best to upload daily. So it was not until 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks now that I've uploaded daily. I had to really create a system, like how I do things. So recording a couple videos on one day and editing on that same day and scheduling those videos out. So I had to create a system that worked best for me because I do have a toddler, and it's not always easy to be able to do anything with YouTube or editing or recording videos while I have my toddler running around. It's just sometimes it seemed impossible. So what I did was on Sundays I record like maybe 2, 3, 4 videos at a time. And then Monday mornings, while my daughter is still asleep, try to edit those videos and schedule those videos out. So that means that I have to research what videos I'm going to put up, and I really have to be ahead of time. I have to plan. So for 2 weeks straight now, I have uploaded every day. That's a big deal. Seriously. But I've uploaded every day successfully. And I have gained, I would say, probably 14 or 15 subscribers. That's a subscriber a day. So that's a big deal for a small YouTuber. Also, I did see my views going up. So before I started 2 weeks, I was doing maybe 3 videos a week. That's pretty good still, But I really wanted to move on to every day. So I was doing maybe 3 videos a week. And my view count as a small YouTuber, I'm very small. I only have 2,000. Right now I have 2,017 subscribers. But when I started, I had like 1,900, I think 70, 73, 74. I can't remember. My math, my whole numbers may be off. But my views went from 30, 35 views a day to 100 a day, and that's a huge deal for a small YouTuber. If there's a small YouTuber watching this video, you know how big of a deal it is to have that consistent daily view. You would look at your YouTube analytics and see your video analytics. You would see how many views and stuff you're getting daily, maybe every 48 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. So the benefit of me uploading every day was kind of pushing my videos in front of people. It was bringing back subscribers and putting my videos out there in front of people, because YouTube likes daily activity. So that was a big deal. And I know some niches, their niche, maybe you do different types of stuff. I do beauty and facials, skincare, all that. And it's really it's not, I wouldn't say too easy, but I can get a video out a day. You know what I mean? But different stuff where you do animation or something, it takes you longer. Those type of niches wouldn't benefit from daily upload. It'll almost be like dropping your quality down quite a bit just to get a video out a day. But I can put a video out a day. I've done it for 2 weeks. The benefits, the pros and the cons. I mean, it was exhausting because this is not my full time, you know what I mean? But it was exhausting. But I did challenge myself and I did it. And it is growing my channel quite substantially. I am expecting, hoping, and praying that my goal, if I continue to upload daily, by February, my goal is to have I would say 500 views a day. That's my goal. The reason I say I'm looking mainly at views is because with YouTube, the way you get paid, views. You know what I mean? Views is everything. Watch time is everything. Subscribers are great. That's awesome. It's cool, you know, but watch time is everything. And if you get more watch time, your videos go are at a higher ranking. So subscribers come naturally. You know what I mean? But that is really important for me. I have been working very hard. If other YouTubers know how hard this is, so it's not an easy thing. But uploading daily is definitely beneficial for me, my channel, my niche, and for many other YouTubers. I've watched so many videos of how people actually do it, and it's funny because everybody has a different system of how they actually do it. I tried to pick and choose, and I found out I saw what worked best for me and my schedule, and I'm content with how I'm doing things. It's working for me. I enjoy it. Plus, I love making videos. Like, why would I not? I mean, I love making videos. YouTube is like something I'm very passionate about. I love being able to sit in front of the camera, talk to you guys, review with you guys, show you guys what I like, what I don't like. I think it's really cool. Like, this isn't too strenuous on me because I enjoy it. So that's very important. If you're looking just to make a lot of money from YouTube, it's not the way to go because you'll hit a burnout very quick, you know. Alright guys, so that is what I wanted to talk to you about. Setting my goals. I do long term, short term, and medium term. But my short term is like 3 months in advance, you know, 3 months ahead of time. My long term is a year, I would say, and then my medium term is 6 months, 6 to 7 months. So I like to do that. I wrote it out on my board. I take down, and I because in my bedroom I have an office, and then next to my office I have like sticky notes on this board that I put, and I write down my goals. So I'll take those sticky notes off whenever I reach those goals. Now I'll keep it because I want to keep it. I've already purchased for 2020. I've already purchased my big calendar, the paper calendar that I like to write in, because I like the paper one more so I can see and kind of look at what I did last week or last month. I think that's very important instead of using a dry erase board. I do have that too, but a dry erase board is a little bit different because you just kind of erase everything. I also am purchasing a planner. Planners are my favorite things to have. Ever since I was a little girl, I used to love, like, even trying to be organized. It was very important for me. I don't know why. I just love doing that. But yeah, I bought a 2020 planner. They're expensive. I would say they're pretty expensive, but you want a good one. You know what I mean? Because this is what you're going to have if you're, you know, if you are very organized for the entire year. That's very important. So I did those things, and I have my regular journal that I write my YouTube video ideas. I have maybe like 400 ideas written out, but it's very important. You need more than that. You definitely need more than that if you want to continue to go every day. So every morning I would just look in that journal. If I didn't have a video scheduled yet, you know, if I had time, my daughter's sleeping or something, I would look in that and try to figure out what I wanted to do today. You know, it kind of sets the tone for what I'm going to do instead of scrambling every morning like, oh, what am I, you know, I don't know what to do. So that really helps. It's just many goals. Here it is. I should be dazzling because it's really not that cute, but in here I have everything I need. I write in it as much as possible. When an idea comes to my head, I write it down. I also keep a daily vlog in here because it's just important for me, making sure I'm actually getting things done, making sure I'm planning, you know, to succeed every single day. It becomes a habit if you start to do that. That's very important. So for 2020, if you guys don't have a journal, get it now, you know, so you can prepare yourself. Write down your feelings in your journal, your ideas in your journal. Go back to those things, write down your goals, and then go back to those and see if you're reaching your goals, because that's very important. And also, my last thing that I have is a vision board. So my vision board is something that I like to put over, because I told you my desk is in my bedroom. I like to put over top of my desk and it has like pictures of things that that motivates me, you know, like maybe a beautiful home or a beautiful car, stuff like that. Just many things. Not all, it doesn't have to always be material things, but just things that motivate me. That's very important. To say if you want to like lose or gain weight, you might have somebody on your vision board who is the size that you want to be. Some people may say it's comparing, but it's not really, because it's making you get up, look at that photo, and say, what can I do today to work towards my goals? That's important. That's very important, to start your day that way. And it's in your face. You see it and you're like, okay, you know what I mean? That's the goal for the vision board. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything I have. I listen to motivational speakers a lot. Even other big YouTubers, I listen to them. You know, that stuff motivates me. I kind of get my entire space to be very positive and uplifting, you know what I mean? So I can go. There are days when it's like, I do have bad days. You know, I have a 3-year-old, but I do have bad days within myself. I'm like, I don't feel like it. I'm so tired. If you want to be successful, you have to push past that. So, which is hard, but you have to. You got to kind of use all those things that I just talked about. See which one can get you motivated, you know? What else? I think that's everything. I think everything on my board. So my goal, remember my goal is to have 500 views by, what did I say, February or March? It's in my book. I think I said March. I think March, yeah. So 500 views daily. That's small to some, but huge to me. You know what I mean? What else? Subscribers will come. If you build it, they will come. What else? I think that's everything. And has it been 10 minutes? Because this is supposed to be on for 10 minutes. So guys, please, you know, I love goal making, goal setting. That's my favorite thing to do. Sometimes my husband and I, we're a lot alike. He does the same exact thing. But then sometimes when I'm not feeling it, you know, he's there to help me. And then when he's not feeling it, I'm there to help him. And then there's some days when we both just want to be super lazy and relax. And everybody deserves that. At least a day. Everybody deserves that. So anyway, back to this mask. Oh, no. If you guys have any goals for 2020, any other YouTubers, small YouTubers, whomever you may be, you do a different type of business or anything you do, what are your goals short-term? Short-term goals, if you want to write that out, if you're comfortable, please leave it in the comments below. I would love that, you know? Let's vibe off each other. Long-term goals are great too. Whatever you are looking for or looking to accomplish in 2020. Ooh, I can be like the motivational superhero with this, right? This is my outfit. Gotta put this on every day when I want to go motivate somebody. Alright guys, so I really am happy that you watched this video. If you really liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video if you feel like it really, you know, if you feel like you got a word today. Sorry, my cat comes in and out. It knocks on the door and it goes out. It's annoying. But, so if you guys feel comfortable with talking to me, please do. I love when you guys communicate with me. And let's support each other. She's trying to go out again. No, stay in here. Alright guys, have a great one. Thank you so much for watching.